And we have one more sequence to look at. So again, write down the next two terms in each of the following sequence. And here we have quadratic. What's the idea of quadratic sequence? Is that second difference is the same. Now, that idea of quadratic sequence, it kind of go away with Junior Cert, not to the end. We do still have now and then in our Living Cert a quadratic sequence in our higher level Living Cert. So what does that mean, second difference the same? So we first consider the first difference between the numbers. And let's look at that. So 12 plus what to equal 19? We understand plus 7. But then 19 plus what in order to get 23? Or in other words, 23 minus 19, what do we get? Plus 4. Okay, so you can see that those values are different. So I have to go again. That is my first difference. And now I'm going to consider the second difference. So 7 plus what to get 4? And that's when it gets tricky. Actually, I have to take away 3, isn't it? But that means every time, second time, I will be taking away 3. So 4 minus 3, then that means I am left with what? 1, isn't it? So therefore here I am adding only 1. 23 plus 1 will be 24. Now, one more step, even more trickier. So again, I'm saying to myself, minus 3, because second difference is the same. Well, 1 minus 3 will actually give me what? Minus 2. And therefore, 24 minus 2 will give me 22. Yeah, so that you can see that that second difference not necessary have to be plus. It could be a negative value. Well, the same here. It could have been a negative value. As we can see, at some point, it does become a negative value. So that is quadratic difference, a quadratic sequence, a little bit like quadratic function.